sifanyike.
Chenro mar ikruok ne yiero madundo ma Magarini bende dhi nyime motelo ne yiero madundo ma tich ang'wen. Apisa mag IEBC medo kaso tol kendo neno ni ng'ikruok ok obedo kata matin, kendo gichwalo sanduge kod otese mag luto ombulu e tesende mag luto ombulu. Tend IEBC ogolo siem kendo jiwo apisas madhi chung' ne yiero no mondo mi oluwre kod chike yiero ma ok odonjore kod kuo mag ombulu. Ma en ni kaluwore kod ywak ma jatend DCP Rigathi Gachagua ne IEBC odiochieng' manyoro.
Musiogope, tuliwafunza, fanyeni kazi kwa mujibu wa sheria, and everything will be okay. We are not here to victimize anybody. We are here to help you, to make you understand your roles. I want you to enjoy as much as possible. It's a very good process. Enjoy yourselves, serve your country, serve your constituency. By the end of it all, we shall all rejoice. Kiona kila mtu sasa amepata mbunge, hakuna petition, kila mtu akona raha. You are going to be part of this history. And that is very excellent.
Don't take instructions from any busybodies. Tuko pamoja? The instructions will come from Mr. Mafondo. Tuko pamoja? Ameongea clearly. You know, yesterday we had a rough day. Pengine mnajua kwa nini? Mnajua? Mnajua? We had a rough day. Hatukulala jana usiku. This morning tumeamka na rough day. So what I'm trying to tell you, this is not monkey business. Kama wewe unaona umekuja kumsaidia certain candidate, tafadhali pole pole. Ukitoka sasa we have no problem with you. Utasema mimi wajua nimekula pesa, wacha nikarigeshe pesa ya watu, mtu mwingine apewe hiyo nafasi. Kwa sababu wajua ukipewa pesa, what it means you have been compromised. Si ndio? Inamaanisha nini? We had a talk with the clerks yesterday. Vile Mafondo amesema.